To change date and time settings on POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open the settings on our device. So it's usually this gear icon. That way we'll be able to see all of the settings page. We can scroll all the way down to additional settings, open date and time, and that way look for the time settings. It's entire page for them, so you won't need to look too much. First of all, we'll have the 24 hours format that you can change the hours format for your clock to 12 hours if this option is disabled, or 24 hours when it's enabled. Then there's date and time settings. You can set time automatically when it's enabled, which I would recommend, but if you disable it, you'll be able to adjust it manually. And I'm recommending to set it automatically, since when you change it manually, you may encounter some out of synchronization issues when browsing internet. Then there's the set time zone automatically that you can turn off, or you can turn it on, and it's the same thing. You can pick the time zone manually if you disable it, but this may cause some of the issues with network synchronization. So you can enable it, and also you can activate use location, and based on your location it will try to adjust the best time zone for you. Then there's the dual clock. So if you're using the clock widget on your home screen, if you activate this option and pick different second clock from your original time zone, you'll be able to see two different times on your clock. So let's check if it actually works, and as you can see, it works fine. So that is all of the time settings for this device, and that is everything for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.